Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the sleeping mask for your skin, a sleeping pack for your skin. Recently I got this message on my Facebook page wherein she was asking me whether she should go for Laneige special care water sleeping mask. You guys know it's been hyped a lot recently. I picked this up from Korea when I was in Seoul. I picked up two of them from the airport, Incheon airport itself. So one for my dad, one for me. I had started using it as soon as I got back to India. I didn't find any difference, so I didn't use it. And the other one I had given it to my dad on his birthday. This is the one which my dad uses, and you can see he's used quite a bit. I did ask him if you find it really good. He had no reply to it, nor I see any drastic difference on his skin, but he's using this religiously till it gets over. Smells nice, and from my dad's experience I feel it is good for oily skin because my dad's skin is oily and he kind of likes it. I feel he kind of likes it, not too sure, but from my experience being dry skin baby, I found no difference, like seriously no difference. I didn't hydrate my skin at all, not at all. So from my dad's experience and from my experience, I wouldn't really recommend this to anyone because it's nothing so great that I would actually recommend it. Something which really is super good, then only I recommend that product. This is not so exciting and not so great for my skin especially, so I wouldn't recommend this. Now if I'm not recommending this sleeping mask which is so hyped, I should have an alternative, right? And yes, I have an alternative because what I'm using is from quite some time. From the time it was launched, I was using it and I love it. Of course, it has always been good for my skin. It's been quite a while. I don't know if it's been a year or so, but it's amazing. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the Innisfree Capsule Recipe Pack. This is the rice one. They have many other variants too. This is the rice one. I have used almost everything, but this has been the best ever, guys, because this literally brightens the skin. It literally even tones the skin. It lightens your marks. It's just too good. Top of that, it hydrates the skin and makes it very nourished and healthy. Like you apply it in the night and when you get up in the morning, it's so freaking good, guys. Your skin feels really healthy and bright. You'll see a difference in just one night for sure. Once you open it, it's sealed inside, and once you open the seal, you get 10 ml of the product. Now yes, 10 ml is very less, but you just need to use very little on your face in dots. That's how I use it, and then massage it very nicely. I apply even on my chin and neck. A nice massage I give. I do this 1 hour before I go to sleep, so it gets nicely absorbed, and then by the time I sleep, it does not get transferred on my pillow. And so at morning, once I get up, I wash my face and I get to see a beautiful glowing skin. Yes, there's some magic going on your skin overnight for sure. Priced at 150 and it's available on Nykaa. I picked it up from Nykaa, but right now I guess there's a 7% discount going on and you get it at 140. Just check that up. I'll put the link in the description box. And this is a must sleeping pack if you wish to apply a sleeping pack on your skin. Yes, seriously, this is a super yay product. I've used it several times. I've bought this like many times, and that's why I recommend this. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit a like. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones because you never know who it might help, and definitely it will help someone or the other. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're someone new to this channel. Don't forget to check my other channel too. Don't forget to check me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and so on. All the links will be in the description box. So see you later in another video very soon.